Hi, I'm Luna. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video from Quantum Tech Lab, I'll show you how to change text message notification sounds on your Samsung phone. Open the Settings app. This is the main control center where you can manage and customize all your phone's features. Next, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see different notification settings for your device. At the top of the menu bar, tap on App Notifications to see the complete list of apps installed on your phone. Now scroll down and see the Messages app. Tap on it to open its notification settings. Inside, tap on Notification Categories. This section allows you to customize specific types of message alerts. You'll see different message categories such as incoming messages or general notifications. Tap on any one of them to customize its sound. After opening it, tap on the sound option. This will take you to the sound selection menu where you can browse all the available notification tones stored on your device. Listen to the tones and choose the one you like. Once selected, simply go back. Your new notification sound will be saved automatically. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quantum Tech Lab for more easy tech tutorials.